Here's how to merge multiple Word documents into one single file using a built-in option in Microsoft Word. This works for simple merges, but there's one limitation you should know before relying on it. If you're merging a few documents and don't need control over the order, Word works fine. If you're merging a large number of documents and need control over the order, you'll need a different approach. I'll show you both options so you can choose what works best for you. Open Microsoft Word and open a blank document or an existing one. Go to the Insert tab. In the text group, this is the Object button. Click the drop-down arrow, then choose Text from File. Before selecting the documents, there's one important thing to know. Word inserts files alphabetically, not in the order you select them. To keep the correct order, number your files before merging. This works well for a small set of documents. For larger batches, a different approach works better, which you'll see shortly. Now select the documents. Hold Control to select multiple documents, confirm the order, then click Insert. All selected documents are now merged into one single editable file. Now you'll see how to merge a large number of documents using visual reordering. In that case, a dedicated free online merge tool like Merge Docs Pro is a better fit. It supports drag, swap, and manual rearranging. After rearranging, click the Merge and Download button. I've added the website link in the description. That's it. Your documents are merged. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.